Imagine this pulling up next to you at a red light in 2026. The all-new Caterpillar pickup truck. A machine that looks less like a vehicle and more like a moving statement of power, purpose, and pure industrial attitude. Because Caterpillar didn't build this truck to impress commuters. They built it to dominate terrain, worksites, and the future of heavy-duty pickups. And the first thing you notice is the stance. Wide, aggressive, planted like it's ready to crawl over anything in its path. With bold cat-inspired design lines, massive all-terrain tires, and a front grille that feels straight out of a mining operation, instantly telling you this truck means business. But here's where it gets really interesting. Because this isn't just about looks. Under the hood, Caterpillar brings its legendary engineering into the pickup world. Rumored to feature a next-generation turbo-diesel hybrid powertrain delivering insane torque numbers. The kind of torque that laughs at steep inclines, overloaded trailers, and rough terrain, making towing feel effortless whether you're hauling heavy equipment, a massive boat, or an entire mobile workshop. And thanks to hybrid assistance, it's not just powerful, it's smarter, smoother, and more efficient than anything you'd expect from a truck this tough, giving drivers the best of both brute force and modern technology. Step inside and the story continues, because the interior is a perfect blend of industrial durability and futuristic comfort, with rugged materials designed to handle dust, mud, and long workdays, combined with premium finishes, ambient lighting, and a massive panoramic digital display that gives you real-time performance data, terrain mapping, towing metrics, and vehicle diagnostics all in one place, making you feel like you're controlling a piece of heavy machinery rather than just driving a pickup. And Caterpillar didn't forget the people who actually use trucks for real work. With smart storage solutions everywhere, reinforced seats built for long hours, washable surfaces, and a cabin that feels like it was engineered for job sites first and luxury second, but still manages to deliver both. Now let's talk capability, because this is where the Caterpillar pickup separates itself from every other truck on the road. Featuring an advanced adaptive suspension system inspired by CAT construction equipment, allowing the truck to automatically adjust ride height, stiffness, and traction depending on whether you're cruising the highway, climbing rocks, or crawling through sand, mud, or snow. And if you're in the Middle East, Australia, or anywhere with extreme conditions, this truck feels like it was built exactly for you. With extreme heat resistance, reinforced cooling systems, and filtration designed to survive the harshest environments on the planet. And yes, this truck is smart too. Packed with AI-assisted driving features that help with off-road navigation, trailer alignment, load balancing, and even predictive maintenance, warning you before something goes wrong, just like Caterpillar machines do on massive construction projects. And the sound, that deep, mechanical growl, not loud for attention, but confident, controlled, and unmistakably CAT, making every acceleration feel powerful and intentional. And here's the part that has the internet buzzing. Caterpillar is positioning this pickup not just as a lifestyle truck, but as a tool, a serious workhorse that can legally drive on roads but perform like equipment off-road, bridging the gap between pickup trucks and heavy machinery in a way no brand has dared to do before. And if the rumors are true, this truck will come with modular bed options, allowing owners to swap between flatbeds, utility setups, overland builds, and job-specific modules, making it one of the most versatile pickups ever imagined. And in a world where trucks are becoming more about style than substance, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup truck feels like a return to raw capability, but with modern intelligence layered on top, sending a clear message that the future of trucks isn't just electric or flashy. It's strong, smart, and purpose-built. So whether you're a contractor, an off-road enthusiast, or someone who just wants the toughest pickup on the planet. This truck isn't trying to compete, it's creating its own category. And if Caterpillar actually brings this beast to market, the pickup truck world may never look the same again. So the real question is, are you ready to drive a legend built by a company that moves mountains for a living?